recording. It's doing it. Yeah, night shot, whatever that means. What's night shot?
We should be able to play that
Probably
on
something at night.
a VCR on your TV, Mick, right?
You see the picture?
No.
No, right here.
TV.
That's what you're recording.
Allie.
Yeah.
So as you,
What is this?
this is a video camera.
What do you mean recording?
It's like a tape,
Oh,
like
yeah.
old movies.
Oh, yeah.
No,
That's
you're
the way
taking
they
like
do it now.
movies. As you,
I know, but can you buy
Now,
the,
these here?
do you have a?
there's a tape in here.
Yeah.
So see what's on here is being recorded. Instead of looking straight, you look there.
Put that, put it on your TV and see it?
There you go.
I know, I
What
saw
does
it.
night shot mean?
Some guy came around, I just pulled
That
it.
means
Low light.
it's dark in here, so it's
How about,
letting you know.
I'll leave it on then, all right.
Yeah, it's letting you know.
Smile.
How do you see it in the screen?
And you
See
can
it all
play
right?
that on TV.
I'm looking at you.
Yeah, I got
Hi,
these
say
jacks
hi.
in here.
Hi.
This is so cool. Here, give this back. Here. We have some.
You can take these.
Now, Steve, now you
wait.
see the VCR to play it on.
The cord only goes,
Oh, wait, how do you play it now?
Right through a TV.
Yeah, you don't need to play it.
Down here.
You wanna sit?
Down here.
Pretty cool, huh?
The battery is $58.
Wow, that's probably a
and,
Right there. Instructions supposed to tell you how strong the battery
Yeah,
is
it
by
should be a-
looking at it.
One of those buttons.
My mother got these.
Does the Zoom work and everything?
I never get in there.
Try it.
Don, wait.
Yeah, Zoom works.
okay, you can try it, 'cause it's on battery now.
It does work.
Yeah.
I like it, oh, I see.
The curtain warehouse.
So wait, is it saying standby or record?
It's on record.
Okay, you see the red button?
Yeah.
If you hit the red button, and that'll put it on standby. That'll pause it.
Okay. So it's not,
It's recording.
look at the Zoom.
Yeah.
Now, what about the focus? Is it automatically focused?
Yeah, it's got autofocus.
No, it's not doing it though.
All right.
I got Ma right there and she's not quite up.
Champagne, but
Oh, there it goes, there it goes, oh, there it goes.
champagne.
Yeah, 'cause you can.
How'd you do that?
I didn't do nothing.
How'd you do the focus?
I didn't touch nothing.
Brought it.
Not focusing, slowly it is.
Oh, we're gonna
You guys
go.
Is camera coming to focus? Better right
Get you
there.
another bottle for New Year's.
As long as he's paying.
You're
Yeah.
gonna need
He's
it.
paying?
I don't know, is he?
You like spray?
The house looks ice in it though.
It looks very, bright.
Go downstairs. Yeah, patience.
Is it very,
It's not a, I don't think it's a color monitor, so you may get black and
not-
white. Look
right.
through here, is that color?
Go on.
No, he wants.
Or is that black and
can't
white?
do both.
Okay.
You gotta close that or open that.
What is that?
Have that knife, please.
No, you don't want that.
Can I see it?
No.
Get all crumbled. I didn't
No, you're too young to see it. How old are you?
Here, look at this for a while.
Yeah, read that cover.
Yeah, read this.
I'll give you a basic outline of what's going on.
Study this, we're gonna have a test.
Nice cookies.
Oh, Stacy.
All homemade cookies too.
No, these are from the hill. Some bakery up on the hill.
Shallow.
Don't zoom too much.
You went to
Try not to like that too much.
The battery may not be fully charged either, so.
You know,
Oh, I see the little charge on the bottom. There's 22 minutes of charge left.
like the
You
mom.
see it on the bottom there?
Your mom loves
I want to take it right off focus.
We don't need
It's
that.
right there? Oh, okay.
This is
22
real
minutes.
stuff.
To go or left or?
Yeah, it must be 22 minutes left. Probably like half a charge.
So he picked out some.
In a couple of minutes.
Yeah, they've only been there since like.
In how long? Like
1930s.
in
Can I see it for a sec?
a second?
Hey, it does say quick charge capability, so maybe you charge it. I'm gonna charge the old one.
Yeah, yeah.
See if
You gotta
that
pan
comes
it
back.
slow, otherwise
Filming right now?
you come out of focus. Oh, yeah.
Can I film?
No?
Oh, your husband.
Not yet.
Tony's,
See, I want to see how the autofocus is focusing.
Sideways, that way it doesn't.
Oh,
You should know.
That's not autofocus.
Yeah, use
Yes, it is.
newspaper cups.
Can I film now?
Is it New Year's Eve?
that's focus now.
Can I film a little bit?
You're filming.
No, but can I like?
Yeah, I know. Yeah. That takes a lot of experience. Where's that, Mickey? Which one of these is the focus? The top one of this?
Give
I don't know, I
everybody,
haven't really looked at
everybody
it.
a glass.
Find me the focus
Mom, we're
because
filming
it
it.
zooms.
Shut it off.
Does it film in color?
No, I don't want to shut it off.
Yeah, shut it off.
Wait a minute, you gotta do Diane.
See what the zoom is not focused?
Diane, Bobby.
Yeah, Diane and Bobby.
Where's Bob?
Doesn't matter who's first. Still the same couple.
It'll zoom, but it won't focus when you zoom it.
What?
Which one? What TV?
What's it? No.
Oh, you're breaking that.
What, Mom?
Nothing. What do you want?
Okay, right there. Now she focused.
I don't know what they
I put it on
are.
automatic.
What do you want? Which one?
No, it was in the middle before.
Yeah, the shallow.
Yes, tell Papa what Mima's turkey's name was. What's that?
We got like too many cookies.
No focus now.
What's that
She's been
powder?
buying champagne cookies. She's got bags and bags of
What's that powder thing?
Those are little dough balls.
Okay, can I have
What?
one of those too? There's only chocolate chip.
No, these are not like that kind of cookies. There's like no Oreos.
They're too commercialized.
Yours.
Diane,
Do peekaboo, Papa.
just get a small fork so they can.
Pretty fast zoom.
Yeah, but she's not trying with my glasses.
But it's not focusing it. That's quick, is it? It's not.
Oh, she just.
Oh, here she comes, here she comes.
Go on. Okay, who wants one?
She get a,
Maybe that's
That's
the,
recording.
Yeah. You want Netflix?
Night. Oh, it says night shot.
Yeah.
I think that's like low light or something.
They wanted to
18 minutes left on the battery. It was 23 a minute ago. It's sucking down.
That's what I'm saying. It's gonna be. Plus, when you use this, it uses it more than if you would use this, because it has to light up that whole screen.
Yeah?
Take it.
What is that little hand in the corner doing?
I don't know.
I know Stacey does.
You gotta read the directions, I guess, for all the
Pile
different.
of custard, they're both-
oh,
The first piece is hard to get out.
you're deciding.
Has a tendency to.
I want all the extra in
You want the
there.
custard now that you smeared all
You don't want no extra because you're only gonna eat half of it anyway.
Stacey's gonna.
Yeah, it's the boyfriend who always gets it out the piece.
No, you don't have to.
Yeah, do the zoom. Just touch it gently. It comes, pulls back. Just.
There may be a speed thing on there.
No, it says battery dead. Nick, battery's gone now. It's gonna- That's it. Push the green button down.
Stop.
Shit, yeah. The lenses must be coming out now. They're going back in. We're on autofocus. Auto. Let's do it right from here.
Still all that stuff. Through the window.
So how come we can't see good, Bob? How come you can't see that car too good? The sun's right in our eyes? See, you can't see.
It's the sun. You can see it. You're looking at the ground. There it is.
Oh, there it
There's
is.
a
Oh,
tire
all
or
right, all right,
something.
yeah, yeah.
Now use that zoom thing I told you.
No, you can do automatic though. No, it shouldn't just do automatic? Let's
No,
touch
you
it.
got it zoomed in.
Oh, I got it in. All right.
Right, so go the opposite way.
Where the fuck is it?
And then push it back.
Oh, there it is.
Now go back. See?
You should use
There
just
you
your
go.
right hand.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's about right there.
You gotta be a magician. Use your right hand. My hand can't fit in there.
No, that's exactly how it's
Just like that. And this you go in and out as you want.
designed.
Jesus, that's complicated.
You want to go, say you wanted the carburetor, you go right into
All right, let's do it. Can we record that?
record, REC.
Night shot. It's a night shot of that
Hey,
car.
just send that button there. To do,
Put the battery up.
I can't read these two dots in the light. We've got them in silence if it's charged.
It says, camera's on, right? You got the camera
He
on?
shuts the camera.
It
Shut
goes
the
to
camera.
charge.
Shut the
Huh?
power right off. Let it charge while you're waiting. Try
We should be
this.
charging right now,
No,
no?
it's not. It says
You got the power on.
TV camera, so.
All right, now it's off. I'm not on it.
The power off?
It says recording though. My phone's not on the
Red
button. Okay. There's the big car dealers. Here we are up there. All the big car dealers. Yeah, what of it, tough guy? Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you.
Is that thing on?
Huh? Huh? Speak right up. Speak right up, tough guy.
This is Doggy Dog,
There's all your dogs right there.
man. This ain't taking videos. Yeah, keep it up. I'm gonna bust that camera by the end of the day. That video camera though.
Big Johnny B.
Oh, got it. Brainiac. Hey, you might want to read this. Hey. There's John behind you, alias Top Dog. There's John Labina, thinks he knows how to do body work.
We got him.
Justin, little dog, throwing the apples.
My gum, man.
Oh!
You got like a...
The camera's shaking. And here's the piece we're driving up in. And now it's gonna pan over. Oh, bombs are coming in. It's Papa Steve. Wave to the. I don't wave. It's right down. Oh, I don't. Good car, chief. They're tomatoes, aren't they?
Are they? Come on, you ready?
Yeah, you don't have to find a place to park.
Get a dip into the tail light.
John, get the fuck out of the way. That's a nice Crown Vic, huh?
What do you got, Jeep? Jeep
Huh?
place?
No, we just sell a lot of trucks though. That's to be a nice eye catcher, you know. Guys come around the corner. This morning when I came down, I said, "Oh, I got to come back and look at that Jeep."
Yeah.
But I wasn't sure how you did it. How the frame. I knew it wasn't a stock frame, or it didn't look like a stock frame to me. That's the bomb, huh, Steve?
We go like this.
That's bad.
Sounds like a music box.
Oh, nice super beam. Nice super beam. Oh, he's got a pocket ticket. That's a nice sheepy copy.
I like that color.
What, Steve? 6,000, 7,000? I love that.
No, he's a little above my head. No, this ain't.
Those are fast too, boy. How much you figure that car is? Nah, it don't mean nothing. Oh yeah, yeah. We should cruise down there after. That's the shit. Oh, water. That's down here. And they can't all be wealthy, Steve. It's a pretty. I know, you tell me, it's unbelievable. Beautiful. We live in our little world of Providence. I mean, whatever. I know it. That is the shit. No, that's right. That's all the millions. Half a million. Ray, he's a millionaire.
His house is probably right over there.
Is this Chevy for sale?
Yeah, how much is that? I bet you that's 25,000.
49 Chevy?
This is you, Ed. Huh? This is you.
How much is that? 25,000? How much, Bob? 15. That's not bad.
That you'd have to do the bed of your truck.
That's not bad for 15.
Yeah, but look what they did.
They tubbed it. They tubbed it. COE, cab over.
It's wild or what?
42, 43,
I don't know.
they made them a few years in the fat fender era, like when they were making the big fenders. Probably a steak body at one time, just. Yeah, right? That's where he put it. Well, he made it. That looks like a new chassis, huh?
Yep.
Put a small block Chevy in there.
I thought the motor was, yeah, because it's going to be a rear engine motor, because.
Because they didn't have the motor in
I think they did, though.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, that's not the factory way the motor goes.
no.
It was in the front. You're right over the top of it.
Definitely. That's one.
That just probably balances it nicer.
Yeah, that would help. Yeah, I saw that.
Unusual.
Wild.
I like that, no? Look at that. Look. He's got rear steering. Look, he's got rear steering. Look at it. He's got rear steering. Look at the wheel steering in rear. I got that Chevy. That's the Chevy from last night at the bar, right?
Is it?
Look at that truck. It's got rear steering now. Oh, look at that Nomad. That. Oh, man.
That's
Oh.
like the old guys with the new wheels on.
Oh,
That shot.
it's not a Nomad, though. It's just a regular 55 wagon. See, he's going 3 doors. One more door on the other side. I got that guy. That's that other Mopa. And that Mopa? Oh. All right, what are you looking at? All right there. Oh, wait, no. You gotta hold it steady over there. Bob, you see that fire truck? That had rear steering. Where's anybody at? Where they go? Oh, that's, look at this thing. Look at the paint on this thing. John, can you paint that? Like that? Flawless like that?
Hell, no problem. You all say that.
Yeah. I do that sometimes at the shop. How come we always got to sand the bugs out of the paint when you get done doing them? See, that ain't nice? Gorgeous. That must fly too. None of these are slow. Ain't no 6 cylinders. Probably was a cover. Look how nice that paint was. I mean, look at it.
the tailpipe.
Fucking perfect.
The Chevy sign.
I see. Yeah, yeah.
We is this.
What? 63 split window? Is it split window? The 64 then.
It's a nice cool car right here, no? Yeah, that's split.
340. That's quick. That's a quick. The Chevelle's a little faster though.
Oh, there it is.
The Chevelle's a little faster.
No, the one there had a white strip.
There's Justin's piece right here coming up. Mr. Dingaling. Come on, Justin.
That's what we call Steve sometimes.
I like this one here. How about this one?
Free ice.
John, there's a little body job for you. Cut the rear doors off a 57 Nomad wagon and make that. That's your challenge today.
Hear it, Dad?
Go right ahead, Ty. Go right ahead. Don't worry about it. You're part of the show.
I'm already up.
They're going to be on television. Don't worry. I'll send you the clippings. Steve, you don't like that? It's beautiful, no? Fucking gorgeous, that thing.
T-shirts. That must be the name of the car.
I love this car. All I got is the body, and look. I ain't got no head in there. Come on, Carol. Come on, turn for me. Come on. That's a $75,000 Diablo. Yeah, that's. I guess not bad for 75,000, huh?
Cool, that's.
Hawaii, and Dwayne was in a couple of Richard Boone movies. Wasn't too bad.